Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you in this video how to use the Schwarzkopf Igora Color10. This is a root touch-up that colors your grays in 10 minutes. So I'm super excited to show you guys. This is the first video of my gray hair color series. So let's get started. So to begin this tutorial, I'm going to begin with a level 7, and I'm going to be using 7-12 from the Igora Color10 line. This is an ash brown, and I'm going to be using it with 20 volume to cover her gray. First, I'm going to take the dye defender from Famar, and I'm going to color block all around her hairline, and then I'm going to mix 30 grams of 7-12 Igora Color10 with 30 grams of Igora Royale 20 volume. Then I'm gonna whisk it all together and then begin applying at the face frame. And I also put a picture up there for you guys to see. We're gonna do 4 sections, and that's gonna help you keep your painting nice and clean and make sure you get every single inch of that root touch-up. So I'm gonna just keep bringing that line all the way back, and then I'm gonna take one from ear to ear and paint it, and don't forget that little spot right underneath. And then I'm going to take horizontal sections all the way up the head. And what I do is I use the back of my brush and then I pull over with the other hand just to keep my sections separate. Here's another technique for all you girls doing it at home. You can use 2 clips to hold your sections out of the way. That way, no matter what, you're going to have a clean section and it won't be difficult for you to make sure you don't paint that root color on any other hair. And I'm just going to keep pulling down with my brush and creating that section vertically and go all the way to the front. Now I'm moving on to the back. You can take horizontal or vertical sections. I wanted to show you guys both, whatever feels more comfortable for you. If you're doing this at home, I would recommend doing the clip technique again for this back part. So always begin at the top, make a small section, clip it out of the way, and then paint the other. And we're just carrying it through all the way to the bottom hairline. And now we're going to repeat the same pattern on the other side. Now what I'm gonna do is use color remover, and yes, that is a nail polish bottle. We made that up and I really love it. And then we're gonna do a little bit of cotton, wrap it in a plastic cap, and then put our timer on for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're gonna shampoo and condition just as normal. And then I'm gonna use the Love Hair Smoother. This is one of my favorite products to gently smooth out curly hair. And I'm gonna blow dry in style and show you guys these insane results with 10 minutes, gray coverage. It covers up to 100% gray. It's so shiny. It looks so natural. There's no hot roots. And here you can see the before and after and how incredibly well it covered those roots. I'm also going to be linking the Igora Color10 color chart for you guys below to find your color at home. I did want to explain the extra coverage double zeros. What this means is there's double the pigment in that color. So if you have very stubborn gray and you find that it's not completely covering, it almost looks translucent, those are the colors I would recommend for your stubborn gray. So 6-00, 7-00, 4-00, anytime you see that double zero, that means double the pigment. I also wanted to give you a heads up, double the pigment looks a little bit darker than the 6 level would usually. So it'll look more like a 5.5. So if you find that your root is looking a little too dark, I would use the 6 instead of a 5 if you're naturally a level 5, or a 7 instead of a 6 if you're naturally a level 6. Just because it does grab that pigment more because the gray needs to cover. I'm gonna do way more in-depth stuff about gray coverage in my next video, but I wanted to give you guys that heads up. Okay, I'll see you on the next one, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me comments below. Bye!